What's up, you spunky bastards? I love you. Even though this is the morning and this will probably go up far too late in the evening. Actually, last time I said that the video didn't go up until yesterday. Apparently, even when my phone is connected to the internet and I set it up to automatically upload, it doesn't even bother. That's at least the way it seems. You know, I set up a whole week's worth of comics to upload day by day on the FTP thing, on DeviantArt Stash, as it were. So you can set the day of the schedule and upload, basically. And here we go. 2 days in a row. It did Monday just fine, and then Tuesday and Wednesday it just didn't. And then so last night, Wednesday, I went in manually to say, hey, schedule this for tomorrow, this for Thursday, and we'll work around it. And then it uploaded both of them Wednesday night. I'm like, I told you Thursday. What the fuck are you doing? So a couple of bugs with the system there, I do think. But hold on a sec, got to jump over the wall again. And there's the train. Holy shit. You're gonna make it across the thing. Come on, you cunt. Oh, hell no. A little doodah comes down when the train's coming. Oh wait, that's the train going the other way. You know what, never mind. Hope I haven't missed the one going my way. And there goes my wallet. Uh-oh. I lost my keyring. There it is. What a horrible machine. I'll try not to get run over in the light of all that's happened. I'm glad I made it here on time. We'll take a look at the train for a sec. Big bastard, isn't it? The trains here have two levels. So it's like a double-decker bus in England. You guys don't have double-decker buses, but you've got double-decker trains. Oh, that's weird. But I guess if a lot of people use the service, you might need the extra space, Like how many people use the red buses in London? You need the upstairs and the downstairs. Man, it's busy today. There may not even be seats on the train for all these people. Holy shit. I haven't seen the station this packed since the Giants game. Alright. Well, apart from some problems with the manual upload and automatic upload, I don't know, fucking DeviantArt's been a bitch. Everything's been a bit of a bitch. But that's the way it goes, I suppose. Anyway, I'll speak to you guys later. Take care, alright?